Welcome to Artfulnguyen channel. This is a place to share beautiful and wise words, valuable knowledge from the sages, that still hold great value for our generation today. We hope that the content we share will bring joy and benefit to you. If you like it, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel. Thank you very much.
How does refinancing a loan work, and how can it save you money? Refinancing is when you replace your current loan with an entirely new one to obtain more favorable lending terms. You can refinance with your current lender or work with a different one. To refinance, you'll need to approach the lender and apply for a new loan. It's important to compare the new loan offer with your current one, paying attention to changes in payment amounts, interest rates, and payoff timeline. If approved, the new loan is used to pay off the balance on your current loan. Refinancing can be done for various types of loans, including house mortgages, auto loans, and student loan debt. It can help lower your monthly payments, lower your interest rate, or help you pay off the loan sooner. There are several types of refinancing options available. Consolidation allows you to obtain a single loan at a lower rate to pay off multiple loans. Cash-in enables you to pay down some of your loan for smaller payments. It can lead to benefits like lower monthly payments, lower interest rates, or a shorter loan term. There are different types of refinancing options available. Consolidation is when you obtain a single loan at a lower rate to pay off multiple loans or credit cards. Cash-in allows you to pay down some of your loan for smaller payments. Cash out is when you withdraw the increased value of an asset used as collateral for the loan. Rate and term is the most common type, where the current loan is replaced with a new one with a lower interest rate. If your credit has improved since you got your loan, refinancing can save you money. Consider the length of the loan, affordability of adjusted payments, and closing costs. Shortening the loan can save you money on interest in the long term, even if monthly payments increase. Now that you know how refinancing works, it's time to explore your options. 717. Credit Union offers various financing options to meet your needs. Discover how refinancing can create breathing room in your budget and help you achieve your goals.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We truly appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest videos. See you in the next videos. Thank you and have a great day.